Francesco Bernoulli grew up in the shadow of the famous Monza racecourse in Italy, where he and his friends would sneak onto the track and race the famous Pista di Alta Velocità bank turn. He was an instant winner on the amateur circuit and soon became an international Formula Racer champion. The ladies love Francesco's open wheels, youngsters look up to the winning spirit, and fellow racers envy his speed. But Francesco's biggest fan is Francesco himself, as evidenced by his racing number 1. As the most famous race car in Europe, Francesco is a fan favourite to win the World Grand Prix, which also makes him Lightning McQueen's chief rival. And as you can probably tell, he's based in a Formula 1 car, which takes inspiration from some Ferraris, which, well, of course, both Italian, and his specs as 2.4 litre V8 with an 18,500 RPM redline, a horsepower of 750, a 0 to 60 of 2.5 seconds, and a top speed of 220 mile an hour. Now, as you can probably tell, he sports the colours of the Italian flag. And here's some trivia. Francesco's last name, Bernoulli, is a reference to Daniel Bernoulli, a Dutch/Swiss mathematician who published groundbreaking theories on fluid dynamics and the conservation of energy. Now, as I previously mentioned, Francesco is based on a Formula 1 car, which, in this case is a in-house design. Though his design is based on the Ferrari F60 Formula 1 F1, he also has some design cues similar to the McLaren MP4-24, the Williams FW31, and other F1 cars from the late 2000s. So that would be in the days of, I don't know, Fernando Alonso, who else? Kimi Raikkonen, Jensen Button. Yeah, I guess he'd be it. And here's some more trivia. Based on a concept art made by John Lee, Francesco resembled the Ferrari F2008. And on Francesco's side is a logo presenting the letters FR in a design similar to the F1 logo. It's the abbreviation of Formula Racer, his racing league. Now, why don't we have a closer look at him? So as you can see, he's got a small mouth. Well, though, to be fair, because he's got a small nose. Open wheels, so no fenders. He's got big wide front bumper. Or side, is it? Would it be called a front bumper? Kind of. Now he's got Pasta Potenza written on his tyres, which roughly translates to pasta power in English. Bet you never knew that, did you? But still, yeah. The design kind of reminds me of Fernando Alonso's Renault R25. Mainly this the side pod with his number on it, number 1. He also sports the colours of the Italian flag on there. Well, though, to be fair, all the World Grand Prix races sport their country's colours and flags. Like Lewis Hamilton sports the British and Grenadian, is that how you pronounce it, flag. Yeah. And not sure how well you can see it, but I think that's signature. No, I think that's the Formula Racer logo I was previously talking about, you know. And here we go, you have some carbon effect on the axles and the suspension. World Grand Prix on the wing. A red and black rear diffuser. Wide rear tyres. What country was this made? Ah, China. Oh yeah, of course. I think the one I have here was 2012. I'm pretty sure. So, you know, right at the time of what was it? Cars 2 was released, and Sebastian Vettel dominance in Formula One. 4 consecutive world titles of Red Bull. That's I think that's pretty cool. Do you think that's cool? Have a great day, folks.